What's up, Bree? What's going on? Alright, bet. Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. What it do, Stunna crew? This your boy MightyStunna, and I'm coming back with another video. And now look, man, before we hop into this video, man, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. A lot of you guys who are watching my channel, y'all are not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. Please leave a like on this video. Comment on this video. It doesn't matter what you comment, bro. Comment how your day been, what you think about the video, what can I improve about my videos, anything, bro. Comment anything about the videos, because commenting helps on my channel too. Leave a like on this video and follow me on all of my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter. That will all be down below in the description. It is all MightyStunna. One last thing, man, make sure you guys get y'all pedal commanders, bro. If y'all want, you know what I'm saying, no lag on your car when y'all stepping on the gas, you know what I'm saying. Let me just demonstrate. Let me just demonstrate it. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? No lag at all. No lag. As soon as you step on the gas, look, watch this. I'm stepping. Stepping. As soon as you step on the gas, bro. But look, man, as you guys can read by the title, I'm going to Josh Laurent. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video, to be honest, bro. I don't even know. But I'm going to Josh Laurent and Srt Bree car meet out there in Savannah, Georgia, bro. It's gonna be lit. I seen it was in Savannah. I was like, yeah, I gotta go, bro. I gotta go. Y'all seen that last video? Let me turn this off. Oh my lord. But y'all seen last video, man. We had went into Josh Laurent and Burroughs and Hellcat's car meet, bro. It was really dope, man. Shout out to them. That joint was really dope, bro. I hope to have mine one day, bro. That shit gonna be lit, man. But right now, man, we're on the way to give Smoke a little wrench, man. And I don't know if I don't even know if I'm gonna do it anymore, because it's hot right now, bro, but it's drizzling. Like what? Like what, bro? I don't understand. It's always raining at weird times, bro. So I don't even know if I'm gonna get a wash anymore, because there might not even be no point, but at the same time, it is just drizzling, bro. But look, man, let me tell y'all something, bro. If y'all want to see me get a Hellcat, do not skip the ads. You gonna watch the ads. If y'all want to see me get a Hellcat, you gonna subscribe to the channel. You gonna comment. You gonna like. You gonna do all that good stuff, man. Because I'm trying to get me a Hellcat. But you know what I'm saying? I need your guys' help for me to get a Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? Niggas struggling out here. You know what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned to the video. Watch the full video. Let's get it. Let them know who it is, bro. Let them know who it is.
You already know it's Mr. 3 Hard himself. Yeah, you talking about.
Let's do it, boy.
Turn up today.
Hey, look, man, that's gang member number 1. About to go get the other 2, man. See y'all in a little bit. I had to get my other gang member. Hold on. Let them know who it is, bro. What's the IG, fam?
It's 803 in this bitch, man. You know what I'm saying? 803 key. I follow me.
Yo, for sure. Follow my boy. Hold on, man. I ain't even show y'all Smoke yet, man. Smoke looking real clean, man. Smoke looking real clean. I don't know if y'all know this, bro, but somebody did end up scraping my front splitter. I probably did tell y'all that. I don't know if I did it or not, but somebody ended up scraping my front splitter when I went to go get my oil change. So, yeah, I'm gonna get that fixed up, bro. It ain't really big. It ain't really noticeable unless you're really looking at it. And nah, it's noticeable. I lied. It's noticeable. I ain't gonna cat though. I'm thirsty as hell. I got some water in the car, but you know what I'm saying? It ain't no cold bear. Yeah, like I'm in this bit now.
There you go.
Yeah.
Don't buzz on my screen.
Yeah. Cap. Nice little bells. No cap. Sheesh. Stunna crew, bro. Y'all literally just seen like a couple minutes ago, bro. It was sunny as hell. Now it's fucking pouring down rain, bro. This shit don't make no type of sense, bro. At all. I'm telling you, bro. That's that Georgia weather for your ass, bro. ain't in there yet, bro. But I don't know if y'all seen. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But Josh is up there, bro. I ended up catching him in traffic. Josh up there somewhere, so I'm just following the line with everybody else, man. No cap, no cap. We about to get lit, bro. Y'all ready, bro?
Nigga, y'all been ready, boy.
You ready, bro?
We finna turn up 2 weekends in a row. First time seeing that motherfucker.
That's all crazy because it's raining, bro. We've been going through rain, dryness, everything, bro. Like the weather just been changing the whole drive, but this thing is weird. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Georgia with it's weird as hell. Stunna crew, we in this guy, man. Mopars everywhere. Right now, though, you know you boy gotta change your shoes right quick, but I do not drive in shoes. I'm taking a long drive, bro. I'm not wearing no full shoes, man. Hey, if y'all don't do that, do that. I'm telling you, bro. Take my tip. Take my advice. Take my advice, bro. You make a long drive, bro. Just driving your slides, bro, and you can slip them off. You know what I'm saying? Be comfortable. You ain't gotta drive in no full shoes, bro. You know what I'm saying? Letting you know. What's your channel, bro?
KC Reloaded, bro. Y'all go ahead and show me some love.
Yeah, for sure. Show him some love, but just like y'all should. Hey.
MightyStunna put me on, bro.
What you think of the scat, bro?
Oh yeah, that bit hard. You killing, bro. You killing, bro.
Hey, man, look, this is starting off, bro. You know, I'm gonna go crazy in the future, bro.
I know you.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, my boy. Yeah, I'm trying to tell you, boy. You already know Josh Laurent and Srt Bree gonna bring out the whole city, boy. Which one? This one? Or the wide body? Yeah. Oh, you got the wide body? Hold on now. Hold on now. You got the wide body at this bitch. All right, down. Copyright, I ain't gonna cap copyright. Oh yeah, make sure y'all do that, bro. Make sure y'all do that. For sure. Oh yeah, they been hard. What's going on, bro? You good, bro? Yeah, yes, sir. Huh? Hey, it was straight, bro. It was like probably like 2 hours, 2 hours, 30 minutes. Way over there, way out there. I gotta see that person. Let's go look at it then, bro. Yo, you already know what's going on, man. MightyStunna a little bit, man. Come on now. Come on now. What you think of it in person, bro? You fucking with it, bro? Yo. Appreciate you, my boy. You know, I'm gonna snap in the future, but you know I'm gonna add some more shit to it now. Come on now. You
gonna do stars?
Oh yeah, I got to, bro. I'm gonna do some stars in the future. Right now, I think my next one gonna be the ice blue and the brakes.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah, heck yeah, bro.
You tall as hell.
Everybody be saying that, but they be thinking I'm short of my videos. You got a channel, bro? No, you ain't got no channel. Okay.
I'm trying to get a little SRTG.
Okay. What you got right now?
I got that black car, that Lance all over there.
Okay. Bro, I want to Lance on my collection, no count. Them bitches suit. Yeah, them bitches suit up be hard.
Where though? Stunna gang?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Appreciate you, my boy. For sure, bro. Love, man, that love, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, bro. Video's a banger. You need to go find Srt Bree and Josh Laurent, though. No cap. That boy straight, bro.
Yeah,
that boy straight, bro.
over there with Pablo. Good.
Oh, Pablo?
Yeah.
Oh, Pablo over there? What Pablo? I ain't gonna cap, bro. This is different, bro. This different, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Deadpool. You see it, bro? Red eye. This be hard. This you found?
Yeah.
Yeah, this be hard, bro.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Oh, God.
Energetic yellow.
It's called what?
Energetic yellow.
Oh, yeah, that's even the name hard. Even the name of the color fire. Oh, yeah. Give him a follow, man. This be hard, boy. Yeah. Sheesh. He gotta be on Bass, man. He might be on Bass, so he lowered. And it be hard. Look at the bag, bro. I don't know.
Lower that bit of bag.
I drive too crazy bags, but I don't know. I already know. Yes, sir.
What's happening?
What's going on, my boy?
Chillin', man.
Dang, but I can't even record the goddamn music.
I know,
Yeah.
bro.
Matter of fact,
This is my dog.
yes, sir. You already know, man. Go ahead and see the channel, bro.
Hey, man.
You go first.
You want me to
Go, yeah, go first. Go first.
Pablo Service 392, man. I here with my boy MightyStunna,
Yeah.
man. We down in Savannah, Georgia.
Once again.
Y'all seen us last week.
Yeah.
Link up. Now we linked up again.
Yeah.
We bringing another banger for you now.
No
you know
cap,
what
no
I'm saying?
cap.
We out here doing the thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chill out. You ain't gonna talk about that. Shaking it, bit. What going on, gang? You good, bro? You go see the whip, bro. How you been, my nigga? You straight? Yeah. I already know. Probably like 10 minutes. I don't know if y'all remember my boy Shake from last the bacon meat, bro. My boy done put the stripes on that bit with the yellow. He really got 40, but he ain't want to mess up his 40, so you went ahead and put these on there. You feel me? Oh yeah. Hell yeah. That be hard, gang. Yeah. That be hard, bro. Yes, sir. He ain't playing. I hold on. I ain't reckon because you had a hat on last time. Yes, sir, man. You already know, man. MightyStunna. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Shout out your channel, bro.
Y'all already know it's top_step at 392, man. We out here, man.
Yes,
subscribe
sir.
to his channel, then subscribe to mine, man.
Hey, man, hey, man, do me a favor, bro.
Yeah.
Tell my subscribers to get me to 15,000, bro.
Get him to 15,000.
15,000, bro.
That's all he wants.
What you trying to get to, bro?
Shit, I just want 1,000 right now, because I might find
Nah, get him to 2,000, bro.
Give me 2,000, yeah, don't worry. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
But I already got you on this
Yeah.
side, man.
All right, man. Appreciate it, bro. What's going on, Josh? What's up, bro? You said what?
You came out here too.
I told you I'm gonna see you on Saturday, bro. Yes, sir. Hey, you gotta get the whip on camera this time, bro. You gotta get the whip on camera this time. Y'all done brought the city out, man. You got out the whips out here, Josh.
Like that?
Yeah, I like that. Y'all know I gotta ask the GOAT himself, bro. What you think of the scat, bro? What you think of it?
What I think of the scat?
Yeah, what you think of the scat, bro?
I love this colorway. I ain't
Yeah.
cap.
Okay.
I love that colorway hard.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's one thing I'm gonna say now. Okay.
Go ahead.
Actually, I can't even expose it, but this colorway is hard. Like how those two colors go together.
Okay.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yes,
this
sir.
the colorway I had in mind too.
Oh, you
That's
did?
all I'm gonna say, yeah. I had that colorway.
Somebody had told me, but I was like, I don't know if it was the same exact blue or not. You know, I ain't trying to copy, you know, but. Yeah, I feel like the smoke show was going good with that. I was thinking about doing like lime green. That would have went good too.
That would have went good too, but this blue is hard.
Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. Yes, sir. Y'all heard it, man. Y'all heard it.
It just looked good.
Yeah.
That boy just looked hard.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, appreciate it, my boy.
no problem.
We gotta get these folks to collab, y'all. You know, they want to see the two young goats. You know
I'm
what I'm
waiting
saying?
on you.
What's up?
You heard that?
What's up? What's up? Hey man, look, if y'all want to see me and Josh collab, bro, leave a like on this video and comment down below if you want to see me and Josh collab, bro. Hey, you know it's gonna be a banger, bro. No cap. Oh, I gotta get those. Hey, hold on. You see it.
Hey, don't shake him up too much.
Okay. I gotta show my boy Top Steppers, man. Forgot to show it all. I gotta show y'all this. This ain't hard, bro. This ain't hard, man. Yo, make sure y'all get my boy a follow, man. No cap. What's going on, my guy? Hold on.
I already know what it is, man.
Yeah. Go ahead and shout it out, bro.
You know what I'm saying? We out here. It's your boy certified _392. That's SRT FIED _392. Like I tell everybody on their channel, man.
Yeah.
Don't cost me nothing. Don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button.
Oh
man.
yeah, for sure.
Hate takes effort. Support is free, man. We out this bitch.
Yes, sir. That's love, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see what we out here, man. Y'all already see, man. Got some food in my mouth, gang. Fuck it, though. What's up, Bree? What's going on? Oh, man. Got Bree out the guy. You already know what's going on, man. She fucking with security. I ain't even gonna go. I'm gonna just say what's up, man. Keep it pushing. You feel me? I don't want no problem with them there. I ain't trying to, you know. Stop crying. Oh, I ain't. He had 1,000 horses.
Yeah, what is certified? Gerald, what? 9
Gerald?
Yeah, we
1036 to the wheel.
Damn. Bro, right here is at over 1,000 horses, bro. I don't even know how to read this shit. I ain't gonna lie. But oh yeah, I see it. That's the highest point he got to. Okay. Bloody interior, full blood, no cap. Hey, y'all comment down below if I should give me some Hellcat wheels, man. 5 spokes. 5 spokes. Big Hellcat. Oh, that's a red eye. Red eye. That bit hard. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This clean. Oh yeah. You said what? Oh, my fault, bro. My fault. My bad, nigga. My bad. We about to start up smoke, no cap. You know what I'm saying? Everybody ready? I would have ran too. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Oh God. Tell him stop playing with his ass. Hey, you talking about? Tell him stop playing with your ass.
Okay.
Come on now. Oh God. start.
It's like that, man. It's like that.
What it's like?
It's like that, bro.
Like that?
Yeah.
That's him. That's him.
Oh, he said come this way. We gonna go this way then. Let's go this way. I'm trying to hear what he talking about. Okay. This that motherfucker right here. Oh yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah, he got that, y'all. He got that. Yeah, he got that. I ain't gonna count. Let me get that wine right quick though. Okay. Yeah. And he already know he did so. Look, he playing. He already know he did something. He already know what the fuck going on. Get out here, man. No cap. This shit smoking, ain't it?
You about to blow his motor?
Hey, you better chill out, my nigga. You better chill out, man. I don't know, that motherfucker smoking, man. I don't know. I might have to. Oh, we got another. Which one was it, bro?
I feel like it is between. Y'all have two between them one.
Yeah. I think they go with mine though, bro. You can't lie. It did sound like a little gunshot, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. That one smoking, man. I thought you were about to blow up. Yeah. Oh yeah. What you think of the whip? What you think of it? You like that? Yeah, that's me.
That blue was probably from way over there.
Yeah. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.
I ain't even know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let them know what the channel is again, bro.
Hey, it's your boy Pablo Savage 392, and I'm back with one of the things that go across the night. I mean, any one of the things that went across your night. Bars, you gotta hear it. Make sure you catch that. But man, shout out to my dog MightyStunna, man. He came down here and hung out with us in Savannah, man. We had an amazing time.
Oh yeah.
My dog is a clown. He had me cracking up the whole time. And we out here in these streets, man.
Oh man, my better.
21. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops when these drops come.
No cap.
Noggin rockers. That's
No
what
cap.
we call them. Noggin rockers.
Noggin rockers. Yeah, I like that. That's different. That's different. I like that. I got jobs. What's going on, bro? You good? Let them know what the channel is, bro. Tell them one more. Tell them again. Tell them again.
It's top_stepper 392, man. Here with Josh Laurent.
Yes, sir.
Man. Srt Bree was here. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Like and comment, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Show some love. Show some love for sure. Yes, sir.
Get him to 15,000
15.
That man needs
Just give me the 15, bro. Just give me the 15, bro.
Get it up,
For sure. For sure. You subscribe to the channel, bro? What's my channel? What's my channel name?
I wasn't even gonna lie like that on the camera. But yeah, I'm about to subscribe right now.
Yeah, right there. Yep. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Appreciate you. Look. Oh yeah, he a part of Stunna crew now. He a part of Stunna crew now. Yes, sir. Hold on.
Say that again.
Say it again.
I watch Stunna.
Oh, hello. You like that? You like that? Hold on now. Hold on. Safety first, right? Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. What you know about that, man? Uh-oh. You got the out one. Sheesh. That thing clean though, bro. No cap.
I'm gonna go tell the cop you like that.
Go ahead.
It's like that. Ready to go? Go? Ah, you ain't got no other choice but to like it. You like that?
It's cool.
What is going on here, dude?
Black one.
You like the black one?
Yeah, you see the same thing about
It's
that.
red inside?
Inside, the red
Oh yeah. Oh, I seen her car. Yeah. I like that too, yeah. For sure. The red guts.
All right.
All right, my guy. Be easy, Josh.
We'll link.
All right, bet. All right, man.
Everybody see me subscribe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is my first one. They been lit. I ain't gonna lie. This is my first one. That been fine. That white one earlier was too loud.
Yeah.
On God. Shit.
No cap. No cap, bro. We really out here, bro. They done turned the city out, man. They done turned the city out. For sure, for sure. All right, my boy. All right, my boy. Man, you gotta let us out of that Mopar, bro. I'm not gonna lie, man. That thing hard. Okay. Wild body action. Oh, brother.
Gotta control your whip.
All right, my boy. Gotta get him, bro. Big dunker truck. Big boy. Big body. Big body. oh, she farting. All right, Josh. Okay, Josh. Yeah, man. That will wrap up this video. It was lit out here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that post notification bell so you guys move into the back for me. Leave a like on this video. Share this video. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know what you guys thought of the video. Comment down below something, bro. Just at least comment for you, boy. You know what I'm saying? It won't hurt. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Keep grinding, be easy. Dang.